Welcome to our channel. You're thinking about living abroad and considering Portugal as your new home? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore why Portugal is a fantastic place to live and what makes it such an attractive destination for expats. I'm going to give you 7 great reasons why you should seriously consider living in Portugal. Please stay to the end of this short video, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Let's get going. Reason number 1, quality of life. Portugal consistently ranks high in terms of quality of life. The country offers a relaxed pace of life, beautiful natural landscapes, a Mediterranean climate with mild winters, and a strong emphasis on work-life balance. The Portuguese people are known for their warm hospitality and friendliness, creating a welcoming atmosphere for residents. You'll love it there. Reason number 2, affordability. Portugal is often considered one of the most affordable Western European countries to live in. Housing costs, including rent and property prices, are generally lower than in many other European countries. Utility expenses in Portugal are also quite reasonable. The cost of electricity, water, and gas is relatively affordable, allowing you to comfortably manage your monthly bills. Now, let's talk about grocery prices. Good news for food lovers. The cost of groceries in Portugal is generally lower compared to many other countries. You can enjoy fresh produce and a variety of delicious local products without breaking the bank. As for transportation costs, Portugal offers an efficient public transportation system that won't drain your wallet. Buses, trams, and trains are readily available at reasonable fares, making it convenient and affordable to get around the country. Reason number 3, safety. Portugal, often admired for its safety and security, is considered one of the safest countries in Europe and the world. Its reputation for safety can be attributed to several key factors. Portugal consistently reports low crime rates, including low rates of violent crime. Violent crime is rare in Portugal, and tourists and residents alike often feel safe walking around cities, towns, and rural areas. Portugal has a stable political climate, with a democratic government that respects the rule of law. This stability contributes to a sense of security and order in the country. Portuguese people are known for their warm hospitality and friendliness towards visitors and expatriates. This welcoming attitude creates a positive atmosphere for residents and tourists. Portugal has a well-functioning and professional police force. The police are generally approachable and responsive to citizens' needs, which enhances the feeling of safety. Portugal also has relatively low levels of corruption compared to some other countries, which helps maintain trust in law enforcement and public institutions. Portugal is not prone to natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, or severe weather events, which can be a safety concern in other parts of the world. Reason number 4, healthcare. Portugal is known for its excellent healthcare system, which is accessible and of high quality. In Portugal, they have a dual healthcare system consisting of both public and private sectors. The public healthcare system, known as the National Health Service, NHS, aims to provide universal access to healthcare for all residents. It is funded through taxes and contributions from employees and employers. The NHS offers a wide range of services, including consultations with general practitioners, specialist care, hospital treatments, and emergency services. The quality of care in the public sector is generally good, but waiting times for certain procedures can be longer compared to private healthcare. Speaking of private healthcare, it plays an important role in Portugal as well. Many people opt for private health insurance or pay out of pocket for faster access to medical services and more personalized care. Private hospitals and clinics offer a variety of specialties and often have shorter waiting times. Whether you choose public or private healthcare in Portugal, rest assured that you'll have options available to meet your needs. Reason number 5, diverse geography. Portugal boasts a diverse geography that includes stunning coastlines, picturesque beaches, lush forests, and historic cities. Whether you're into water sports, hiking, or exploring charming villages, Portugal offers a wide range of activities and experiences. Reason number 6. The Portuguese culture. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant and rich Portuguese culture. From their unique traditions and customs to their love for siestas, Portugal has a way of life that is truly one of a kind. The relaxed approach to work-life balance is deeply ingrained in Portuguese culture, allowing people to recharge and spend quality time with loved ones. And let's not forget about the mouth-watering food and drink culture in Portugal. Get ready to indulge in delicious seafood dishes like salted Atlantic fish, or savor the famous pastel de nata, custard tart. Pair your meals with a glass of refreshing vinho verde, or explore the world of port wine, which Portugal is renowned for. Reason number 7. The D7 retirement visa. One of the best things for last. This visa program allows non-European Union citizens to retire in Portugal by demonstrating that they have a stable income or sufficient financial means to support themselves. Don't worry, the requirements are pretty easy. Check out all the specifics in my Portugal D7 retirement video. If you're considering retiring in Portugal, the D7 retirement visa comes with some fantastic benefits and privileges. Let's dive into why this visa is a game changer for retirees. One of the major perks of having a D7 retirement visa is the tax advantages it offers. Portugal has a non-habitual resident (NHR) tax regime, which means that qualifying retirees can enjoy significant tax benefits. This includes exemptions or reductions on foreign income, pensions, and capital gains. Another privilege of the D7 retirement visa is access to healthcare in Portugal. As a retiree, you'll have access to the National Health Service, which provides affordable and high-quality healthcare services. You can also opt for private health insurance if you prefer additional coverage. Living in Portugal as a retiree with a D7 visa means enjoying a high standard of living at an affordable cost. If you're dreaming of spending your golden years in a welcoming and picturesque country, the D7 retirement visa in Portugal could be your ticket to an incredible lifestyle with numerous benefits and privileges. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Now, get to planning your move to Portugal.